Alright, this next part is the best part. We're going to start putting in the oil. What I put in my oil is the Max Life, Valvoline Max Life 5W30. Always check what is your car recommended to have. Most of the time, it will say it on the oil cap. Like this one, it does say 5W30. You know, it doesn't matter which company that you go with. It's whatever, you feel comfortable with. Now, what I do before I put in the oil, I normally add, some treatment to the car. And what I use is the Marvel Mystery Oil. It's very good, clean up all the deposit that is inside your engine, clean it up. And it's good for the gas and the oil. So that's why I have 2 bottles to get the full treatment. One for the gas and one for the oil. So let's put in the oil. Oh, before I put in the oil, I'm going to put this first. This is going to be my own little 3-part service. I had the mystery oil for the oil. I had the gas, mystery oil for the gas. And I had the Zoom. You know what it does. Clean up that intake. My own little 3-part service I'm about to do right now. So let's get started. Now you're ready to put in the engine oil. Make sure this is on very tight. Make sure you get everything. You pay your good money for this. Oh yeah, this is about like $2 and something I paid at Walmart. The oil was about $17. And I got a little funnel here that you just place right over the oil tank. Cheap. Got it for 75 cents. It could be more, I don't realize, but no more than $1. Put that on. Now since we're done putting the oil, we can put on the cap. After you're done putting on the cap, what you want to do is check your oil. Always check it. Yeah, you got the right amount of oil, but you always want to make sure that it comes out correct. Yep, that is good. Look how clean that oil is this time. See how clean that is? Clean. And there you go. That is the oil change. Now we're going to move on to the rest of the 3-part service. Alright, now since I got the car off of the jack stand, I can continue to the last part of the service. That's cleaning up the intake. You want to find out where your intake valve is. Most of the time you want to find out where your car can breathe. Normally it's near the air filter. But you want to find out, most of the time people do it at the PCV valve. And where I do it is right here. It's easier for me. And that is where I get my suction from the vehicle. You can see it is right here. Alright, now we're here at the gas tank. Remember I told you about the Marvel? We're going to put that into the gas tank. First, you want to open it. I recommend doing this on a full tank of gas, but right now I'm at half a tank. That's still better than empty tank. put it in just like that. Simple. It's very simple to do to your car. So always do it. It gives you better gas mileage because it's cleaning out them fuel injectors for you. Save money. We all happy when we save money on gas. When it's done, put back on the cap. Bam, there you go. Alright, now since I got the car off of the jack stand, I can continue to the last part of the service. That's cleaning up the intake. Most of you want to find out where your intake valve is. Most of the time you want to find out where your car can breathe. Normally it's near the air filter. But you want to find out, most of the time people do it at the PCV valve. And where I do it is right here. It's easier for me. And that is where I get my suction from the vehicle. You can see it is right here.